Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Chin. We are going to talk about more of the three regions of colonial America. You can see here the three regions, and we are going to start with the New England environment. So in this region, it was a very short growing season to farm because they had long winters. And they had lots of forests in this region, but most people settled along the Atlantic Ocean or nearby rivers. So think about why they settled along rivers and oceans. Think about what we talked about with the American Indians, why they settled along oceans, rivers, or lakes. Some products in this region, they did farm, but they farmed enough for themselves. They also used the large amount of forests to build timber and ships. So they used the resources they had to make money. They also manufactured goods and they traded. Some people in this region were the Pilgrims, and they believed in hard work and following the rules. A lot of people in this region, they settled for religious freedom. So they wanted to practice whatever religion that they believed in. Some people's jobs were merchants, manufacturers, or artisans. Mainly in this region, people were from England. And children in this region, they were taught at school through the Bible, and they were expected to go to school. Let's move on to the middle colonies. They had a medium growing season. It wasn't as short as the New England, but they did have very cold winters. And there were many lakes and rivers, so think about why they would settle there. Some products in this region, they were actually called the bread colonies because they grew lots and lots of wheat, oats, barley, and rye. They could ground all those up into flour, and they shipped it to England and other colonies. So that's how they made some money. The people in this region were from France, England, Germany, and they were a more diverse region than the New England. Some jobs were farmers, artisans, and merchants. And they actually had a greater belief in freedom of religion. So a lot of people here, they moved here because they could practice whatever religion that they wanted. Most of the children in this region, they had to work on the farms. So only the children whose parents were very wealthy, who had a lot of money, they were the only kids that went to school in this region. All the other kids had to work on the farms. And the southern colonies, this is where Georgia is at. So Georgia is a part of the southern region. They have a long growing season, mostly because it was pretty warm to hot summers, and they only had very cool winters. So they had a long growing season, and also because the land was fertile, and we talked about how fertile meant that the soil was really good to grow. Some products that they had in this region, they farmed tobacco, rice, indigo, and cotton. And they used those crops, which are called cash crops, because they sold them, and whatever money they got from selling them, they would purchase manufactured goods with that. In this region, it was somewhat of a diverse population, so some of the people were different. There was a large population of slaves and indentured servants. Almost all the agriculture was to sell cash crops. So the tobacco, the rice, the indigo, cotton, they sold that. There were very few large cities. One of them was Charleston, South Carolina. And in this region, the children either helped on the farm, they were taught basic education by their moms, and if they were lucky enough to have enough money, they would have a tutor teach them as well. So that is what we need to know about the colonies.